everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing this Aer Lingus A321Neo made by Gemini jets. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get straight into it. First of all, let's take a look around the box. Now let's unbox the model. So guys, here is the model out of its box, and I must say it's really nice. One of the things you can really notice as soon as it comes out is that the engines are really low to the ground, which I'm not sure because the Neos are, they do have pretty big engines and they are pretty close to the ground. But I think these engines might be a little bit too big. But anyway, it's still a brilliant model, obviously, with all the antenna on the top and everything. All the detail put into it, it's just really good. Obviously, with Gemini jets, they always do a good job. Even if people, like I said in my other videos, they slag them off and stuff. But, you know, they're still a brilliant model company. Yeah, there's no doubt about it. They are really good. So yeah guys, I'm going to do a little piece on the model now, and I hope you enjoy it. That will conclude the video for today. If I were to do an overview on the model and say how good it was, I'd say it's really good. Obviously, all the detail and everything, like I said in the last clip, it's just really good, and I really like the model. I think it cost about £40 from Aircraft Model Store. I'm not sure because I wasn't the one who bought it. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!